Hello Internet, welcome to Dad is Cooking. In this episode we will cover my favorite way of making mashed potatoes. When I say favorite, I mean the way my kids just love it. Without further ado, Internet, let's get into it. On the screen is the list of ingredients that will be needed for this meal. The list will be in the description box down below as well. Also, how to make base spice and ground garlic will be linked in the description box below. First step. Place a medium-sized pot of water to boil. Now we need to peel the potatoes. Once peeled, place in the pot of water and wait for it to come to a boil. Let boil until the potatoes are slightly overcooked. Take the potatoes and place them in a bowl. Add the milk, the butter, the cream cheese, and the sour cream. Using a potato masher, gently mash the potatoes. Once they are mashed, add the olive oil, salt to taste, and add some cracked black pepper in it. Then continue mixing until the texture is uniform. Then set aside. Now it's time to complete the second part of the meal, the meatballs and the gravy. Place a pan on a medium heat stove, lightly greased with some olive oil. Once the oil is warm, place the meatball in the pan. Link on how to make the meatballs will be in the description box down below. After 2 minutes, flip the meatballs. Keep flipping every 2 minutes until cooked to ensure that the meatballs are evenly cooked. Once they are cooked, set them aside. Now it's time to work on the gravy. Now add around 3/4 cups of water. Black pepper. Oregano. Cumin. Ground garlic. And the base spice. Stir properly and let simmer on medium heat. Once it starts to simmer, add the meatballs back into the pan. After around 2 minutes in the pan, flip them over. Once they are cooked to your liking, remove them from the pan. Now it's time to finish up the gravy. Add the tomato paste. Mix and let simmer on low heat for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to put everything together and enjoy. Well, that is all for today, folks. If you did try that particular recipe, please let me know in the description box down below. In the meantime, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to be notified on all future videos. Until next time, have a good one.